A little bit different approach today for the AWS every day. I'm going to bring in my digital twin to help explain what we're doing. Keith. I don't think that's what AWS meant by IoT Digital Twin. Let's go to the whiteboard. All right, I don't want to trigger you too much with the reversed writing, so we'll put on a hoodie and talk about digital twins. Let's take any object, a simple marker. You want to produce these more efficiently. This is where we're tying in the concepts from AWS reInvent, the technical keynotes about using simulation and AI to just improve the manufacturing process. What happens when I can take my equipment that produces the mode for this and create a IoT digital twin, meaning the readings off of the mode from temperature to variance, vibration, etc. can be uploaded via the IoT Core agent into AWS, and I can run ETL off of that. Well, let's go one step further. What if I could create a geospatial map of my factory within AWS, a 3D rendering? Now I can virtually walk through that process, understand what happens when I change physical arrangement around that equipment. Digital twin, the ability to simulate the real world in a IoT database, what my friend Corey Quinn will call a database. This is, I think, is getting to the power of the IoT Core solution and the lock-in that you'll face when it comes to AWS. AWS is, again, accelerating capabilities. I can now use what's essentially the whole AWS platform against my manufacturing process and OT to not just improve but optimize and simulate what I have going on the factory floor. Digital twin in a nutshell is just taking IoT Core and extending the database capabilities way out to AWS's analytics, AI, ML. You want to learn more about the AWS Everyday series? Follow me on the web, thectladvisor.com. You can now subscribe to this as part of the newsletter, AWSEveryday.substack.com. Talk to you next AWS Everyday.